Festival.
Gitmoy? Dai. Dai.
La, muhad. Ilguler. Badin Bosi. Tita. Kaibigan ako eh. Sa Masig. Video yan. Kasi may marap yan din. May yan. Talaga yung chika-chika dito. May post naman sa... Ayos ah. Ano to? Video. Marites, nag-ipon-ipon. Dito kami sa Philippine Embassy Syria, Damascus. Ramsi. Baha, oy, sa lola.
Guwapa ka si Jose.
Kuha, oy! Nagbuka ba na? Siyempre, nakalapit. Siyempre, ako
Sure ka, oy. Gusto ka ka ng tikik.
Say hi. Sampo. Hi, vlog. Para natay. Si Jen, may katapat. Tapat doon. Asawa ni Ivana na Omega. Sa Ramsi. Ano ba yan?
Ako na kayo lahat.
Hi, paluwagan niyo.
Hi, sir. They are busy.
Ready na ba kayo?
Yes!
Yung malakas?
Yes!
Okay, yun ang gusto kong marinig kasi kain na ito. Alam mo nyo, celebrate natin na mga kanutong Pilipino, lakas ng kabataan, makabago. Alam nyo ba yun, ibig sabihin nun ay mag-present tayo ng mga pagkain, mga lutong Pilipino. Okay? Pero bago ang lahat, hinihintay ko kayo ng tumayo para sa ating Philippine National Anthem. Si Chef Jonathan Isquela.
Hello, good afternoon po. Welcome po sa Philippine Embassy sa Pilipino, lakas na, kabataan,
Kakit ng boses.
So, gagawin ko natin, dududuin ko natin mamaya is spring roll base. So, spring roll. Yan ang beans. Of course, dito sa is beans. Oh. Pero ang gagawin natin, dadagdagan natin siya ng cabbage at squash pala. Hindi, yung ano, yung kalabasa o ano, pumpkin.
Kasi Tagalog mo.
Kasi squash hindi yung ano eh. Masyadong mahal yung squash eh. Tapos sweet potato. Ilagyan natin ng pampaan siya, pampadasa. Kasi yung broccoli ko tayo, meron tayong broccoli lang sa
Sibuyas siya tayo, sir.
Yung ginawa ko namin, meron po tayong line-up din na broccoli stem. Para, supposedly po ang ano nun is sayote. Kaya wala akong nabili sa Lebanon. So, nilagyan din natin siya ng stem ng broccoli. Pwede po siya gamitin kasi sa iba po tinatapon yung stem ng broccoli. Meron po sa pwede po siya gamitin, babalatagin lang siya. Tatanggalin nyo lang yung matigas, then ikakat nyo. Okay po? Mayroon din tayong bawang, white onion, Yung ano po, ang purpose po ng ano natin, yung flour, para mamigit natin doon sa wrapper. Mamaya ipapakita po kung paano gagawin.
Yung mukha. Ayoko mo po.
So magano na po tayo ha. Sila po meron na po naka-ready na ano na pangtikit. May nagawa na po silang pangtikit.
Show how to make it.
So
Pasensya na po stage 1.
Di na daw available.
first, before we cook, we have to heat up the pan. Okay? Heat up the pan. When it's hot already, we put a little bit of oil so
Hindi
that
siya center. Nakawala.
it will sizzle. Sizzle the pan. Then after that, we put garlic, onion. When it's cooked already, saute it a little bit. Make sure it's a little bit cooked. And then
Golden brown.
we put the hardest vegetable first. Carrots, the beans, the squash, then broccoli stem, then potato. Sweet potato is easy to cook. So, kailangan siyang matagal bago ilagay. Then cabbage. Ang the last one we're going to put is the bean sprout.
Dito ako para
Because this one, you don't need to cook it. Just put it, then turn off the heat. It will cook by itself. Then now, we go to the wrapping of spring roll bits. This is the finished product.
So this is the cooked vegetable.
Vegetable, that one is already cooked. That I've prepared.
Yeah, no, this is the cooked vegetables.
Already.
Yeah, this
Already.
one. Yeah, this is
Focus mo doon at isa. Punta kay focus mo lang siya.
Mayroon naman yung ganyan. Oh.
this is first before you wrap.
Kahit malayo na siya.
Okay. Then, to prepare the seal for the wrapper, the flour first. Prepare first the
Dapat
water.
may ano siya, may microphone.
The flour. Then make sure it's a little bit thick so that it will be easy to put on. Others are using eggs,
Turuan yung mga serya na.
but me, I'm using the flour so that it's more secure when you fry it on the hot oil. Because sometimes the wrapper, when you use water or egg, it's with the open again. So it's better to use flour and water. Okay, we have the finished product already. Now we can start. Everyone,
Kasi ako marunong magluto ng
get one piece of wrapper, please.
dito daw naman. Pag
Get
sure
your
ay,
wrappers na.
ako marunong magluto.
Get your
Children, get your wrappers. Okay, get one wrapper each. Come on. Put it in your plate.
This one, you will
Come and try.
Okay.
natin mga
The
bata.
pointed portion of the wrapper is it should be like this, like this. Okay, like that. Spring roll. The pointed portion it should be away from you.
forward.
Yes, ma'am. Away from you. The pointed portion away from you. Like that. Like this, like this. Okay? Okay, so that's it.
So everyone has a
It should look like this. Children, ha? Like this. Facing. The pointed portion facing away from you, ha? Okay.
Bigla natin si Burhan.
after that one, you have a spoon there.
Okay, the spoon there.
You should watch it on
Use it
YouTube.
to put the exact amount of
Okay.
mixed veg on it.
Get the spoon. Put vegetable on your pastry.
Burhan, you put the vegetable, one spoon, okay? Yeah, you have one spoon.
This amount only, like this only, like this. Let them borrow. This much only, huh? Put more. On the bottom. Here, Ben.
More.
No. Enough na yun, ma'am? Hindi pa.
Enough na yan. Kasi maliit yung
This
wrapper.
one's a bit too much.
Like this. This picture na lang kami. Bawal tumutulog yung nanay. Ah, talaga? Kayo na lang mag-uulog pag rin nanay. O, diba?
Wait.
Everyone is okay.
Bottom.
On the end.
Put your vegetable bottom. In the bottom.
You add more, a little more.
Okay.
Laakir.
Bottom.
Shway
You
bas.
have to do it like this without. The reason why you wash your hands is because you have to touch it.
Touch it.
So you have to press it in the bottom. Press it in the bottom. Form it like this in the bottom, sweetheart. Come on, do it.
Do it, Burhan. Okay, Burhan.
Yeah, like this. It has to be straight. Put a little.
Watch it on YouTube.
A little.
Yan, sure mo kapatid na yan.
Sige.
Sure na yan.
Panoorin mo sa YouTube, ha?
Okay, everyone has mastered.
Okay, enough, sweetheart, enough.
Okay, there's a technique on this one.
The siblings. The Al-Baghdadi siblings.
Wait. Listen. Mommies, please sit down. Then listen to Tito Jonathan. Listen.
There's a technique here. Because this one is... You have to seal it first on the end.
You have to put first the
Put
floor
first the seal
in the pointed area.
in the pointed area. So that later on, it's gonna be easy for you. It will not by itself.
Come on, more, baby, more. Come on. Put it more, baby. Oh, come on, do it. Put more. No, let this do that.
Okay, enough. That one is enough. Enough. It's okay. This one is only
Just first do it. Don't do it first.
close
Look
to
at
the
him.
side. Look.
Very good. Okay, very good, children. Do it again. Do more, some more.
There's more.
Do it. So that you can try it.
Later on, we're going to cook it.
Okay, the stage mother, take the picture of your children.
Now you're...
Walang masyado nalapit sa table na baka maano, baka
Dito lang.
Uy, natatabunan. Natatabunan yung audience.
Hello. Are you enjoying your pictures? Sweetheart, point at your
Mama, put the paste.
Okay?
But don't too much. Do not be taste like cupcake. Parang pa...
Haba ng pila.
Sabi ko kay Nani, wala niya yung tulay. Tulay.